hanging
this?
basket.
Hanging baskets, yeah.
I found
That's
one.
my jumper.
I know. I cut the bottom off of an old jumper because hanging baskets, you may notice, have lots of holes in. So what I thought we could do with this, Stu, put it over like this.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Stretch it over the edge.
It
like
used to be quite a good stretchy jumper, this one.
Oh, good.
You made a nice bowl.
We've made a bowl. I'm still doing it for you.
Excellent.
It's crafty.
It's true.
Now, when you're planting a hanging basket up, I'm sure you know, it's ideal to stand it on something. Because this is hanging up, we don't really want soil in it because it'll be too heavy. You can use this again.
So this is lighter than soil, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what we're going to put in here, if you get big lumps like that, just, you know, just do
Tell
this.
you.
Right,
I may be stupid, but I want to learn.
Do you? You'd like to do this regularly?
No. How much soil goes in there?
Right, more than you're putting in there. Strawberry runners.
Ah.
And what you want to do is arrange them round the edge. Make sure you don't plant them where that's going to be.
A strawberry runner?
One. Yes. This has come off the main strawberry plants. These are the babies from last year's strawberries. Strawberries throw out something called runners. You don't usually grow them from seed. You usually grow them from runners. And the strawberry plant through the season will throw out these long shoots that touch the ground, and as they touch the ground, they root, and you've got baby strawberry plants. So that's what
getting
these
heavy.
are. Yes, well, come away. You don't have to stand there holding it. You've got 3 of them to arrange in there.
Okay.
So this is flat.
good.
No. I don't know what you've done with that for, Sal. All these roots are sticking up in the air. What you want is them fairly close to the edge. Then when it throws out its runners, it will throw them over the side and it'll look cute.
Oh, that's clever.
So put them equal distance apart. You don't want to bury the crown of a strawberry.
Apparently, I don't know where it is. Apparently that is the crown.
That's it. I think I mentioned in one of my videos that I wasn't able to get hanging basket tomatoes this year. I don't know why, I just couldn't. But I've got a cherry tomato here called Cherry Roma that I'm going to have a go and see if it will grow over the edge. If it grows straight up, well, we'll have to have a tall hanging basket. So you want to put, I don't want to show you where to put them, but
just put it somewhere
to choose in the pot.
Say no.
And this one is called Sweet Baby, which is another cherry one. So I don't think we're going to plant them in their pots,
Right, okay.
Stuart, because that rather defeats the object.
Sorry. Okay,
So
so
the way you take the way you take a tomato,
okay.
you take a tomato out,
Okay.
putting your fingers each side like that,
Right, okay.
and squeeze in the pot and tip in.
Oh, okay. Fingers around it, upside down, squeeze the pot. Ah, look at that.
You did it.
I did it.
And then do it so it's facing the edge.
Like that, yeah?
That's brilliant. Well done.
Hey!
Now we need a little bit more soil just round the edge of this.
Okay.
Because tomatoes, unlike strawberries, can be buried deeper than they were in the pot. And it actually benefits them a certain amount.
Does it?
Yeah. Now, I would like to say, let's put another one in, but I really don't think it will take more than 2 tomatoes. It'll just, there won't ever be enough nutrients in there for it. So we're going to call that a day.